Come on, come with me and get in the closet. We have to hide. Now keep quiet. We don't want them to hear us. Oh no. My nose is tickling. Put your finger under my nose. Whew. That was close. Oh no, don't take it away. Put your finger back under my nose. I'm going. I have to sneeze. Help me. Oh, thank you. Thank you for helping me hold it back. Oh no, but it's coming back. Oh, they're getting stronger, harder to hold back. Oh no, I'm going. Oh, I have to. Oh no. Oh no, they heard me. They don't know where I am yet. Help me hold it back. I'm going to sneeze again. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no. I have to stay full. Oh, it's so strong. Oh, they're too strong to hold back. It tickles so much. I'm going to sneeze again.